Howdy, y'all. And hello from Raja, who loves showing the internet her butt. Raja, maybe the internet doesn't want to see your butt today. She doesn't care. She's a cat. Anyway, let's do some day drinking. We've got Lagunitas. This is Disorderly TeaHouse. I'm not big into the sparkling drinks. But one, it's Lagunitas. And two, this is a Yuzu lemon squeeze spiked and sparkling Gyuza tea with natural Yuzu lemon flavor. So it's Lagunitas and it's tea. So Lagunitas makes good beers, and I like tea, especially a good tall glass of Southern iced tea, sweet tea. I've cut back my sweet tea. May do half and half or unsweetened because I'm trying to watch the figure. But let's see what we got here. Notice of suspension. You previously. Hey, Raja. Hey, stop knocking the internet over. Sorry, there's people walking around and talking. There shouldn't be. Anyway, it says stuff. 160 calories. You never see the calorie content or ingredients on a brew. Anyway, let's give it a try, shall we? I'm not bothering with the glass because it's a sparkling whatever. Ah, very lemony. Almost a lemonade tea. Good black tea. Some lemon. A little bit of the sparkling. Most sparkling drinks just taste like soda water to me, and if they've got flavoring, it's artificial fruit Kool-Aid, blech, and there's very few I've liked. But this is Lagunitas, and it's still got the sparkling thing. It's a little off-putting, but it's a strong black tea flavor. They did a good job with the tea, and it's a lemon, almost a lemonade, lemon pledge. I do solemnly pledge. It's not bad. It's better than I expected, to be honest, which I was hoping for, since, like I said, Lagunitas, it's 5% ABV. This would be a good summer drink. It's not summer now, but it's warm for a winter day. Yeah. Wouldn't be my go-to. I wouldn't pick this over an IPA, but hanging around a campground or sitting back after mowing the lawn, it would do just fine. So that's today's review. Thanks for drinking with me, and we'll see you next time. Cheers!